Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by choosing where you'll keep records and why that format helps you. Use a spreadsheet for formulas, paper for reflection, or an app for mobile syncing. Once chosen, input last 3 trades so you have structure to follow. Record date, ticker, size, entry, exit, fees, and trade rationale. This anchors future review. Make sure you write explicit objectives, risk per trade, and monthly return targets, because clarity guides consistent entries and useful metrics. Now log every trade as you place it. Real-time entries reduce hindsight bias. You'll capture P and L and percent return, plus running drawdown to judge risk management. Once done, tag each trade with setup, catalyst, and emotion to enable later filtering. Make formulas that compute average win, loss, win rate, and expectancy. These numbers explain why your plan works or fails. When patterns appear, adjust position sizing or rules. This keeps your journal actionable rather than passive. Finish by creating a repeatable review routine, weekly quick checks, and monthly deep dives. During reviews, compare actual behavior versus your rules and adjust entries, exits, or sizing accordingly. You want improvement loops, so pick one metric to change per month. If you find missing or inconsistent entries, reconstruct them from broker logs and screenshots right away. That troubleshooting step prevents blind spots. Keep the journal simple enough to maintain, but detailed enough to learn from each trade.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.